And the police custody for the attackers has now been extended to the 26th of May in Tuesday's shootout in Mumbai. The police's crime branch on Wednesday has said that Dawood Ibrahim's youngest brother Iqbal Kaskar was not present at the spot when his driver was attacked by 4 gunmen on Tuesday night. Confirming that Kaskar was not present at the spot, the crime branch DCP has said that the arrested assailants were being interrogated. Jugal is now joining us live. Jugal, can you run us through the day's proceedings? What exactly happened during the course of the day?
Well, we are standing at the Mazgaon court at this point in time. This was where the 2 accused were brought some time ago. And these 2 accused, as we are aware, have been remanded to police custody till the 26th of May. Now, the primary contention of the police in this case was the fact that, and that's something that they told the judge also in the case, that they believe that this could possibly be an inter-gang rivalry, a case of the same. And that's why they need a certain amount of time to interrogate these accused. They need to find out the financial aspects of this entire case, from where the arms were procured in this case. Remember, 3 firearms were recovered from the accused. 5 rounds were fired at the Dambarwala building in the Pakmodia Street area of South Mumbai, where the incident happened last night. So a lot of angles are involved, and that's police's primary ground to seek the custody for these 2 accused. Now, not just that, the entire manner of the appearance of these 2 accused in the court also suggested that the police is extremely protective about the manner in which this entire incident is seen. We were positioned here even before the police came with the accused, and we saw a gradual build-up as far as the police force's strength is concerned. By the time the accused were brought up, this area behind me was a fortress. There were men with SLR guns, there were men with lathis. Even the bomb disposal squad and the police reserves were called in to ensure that no law and order situation actually forms in this area. And when the accused were brought in, they were brought in an armored protected vehicle. So an extremely serious case as far as the police is concerned. Now, that apart, in the court also the proceedings were very brief. Hardly 10 minutes they lasted, in which the judge asked the accused if they were fine, if they were medically tested, and to which they replied in the affirmative. Having done that, the judge wasted no time in remanding these 2 accused to the custody of the police, as we are aware, till the 26th of May. So all in all, the police maintaining an absolute silence and is trying to protect the entire incident as much as it can, in the sense that they are trying to ensure that no wrong move or no wrong step from their side is taken, lest the situation turns ugly and goes out of hand. Because we are aware that it is Dawood Ibrahim's brother who's involved in the case. There are chances of retaliatory strikes which may happen, even though the police is still trying to understand the entire demographics of this case. But as I said, an extremely sensitive case, and the police is playing very, very guarded with an approach in this case. Back to you.
Right, Jugal, thanks for those details. And let's now listen into what the public prosecutor had to say.
Are remanded to the police custody up to 26th of May 2011. The allegations are under section 302, read with 34 of IPC, 3 of Arms Act, punishable under section 25 and 27. The deceased person is Asif Abu Bakr. Today he was produced before the court. He was arrested at 4:30 a.m. today only.
The police station, what was found?
JJ Marg police station arrested the 2 accused persons.
What are the weapons, everything?
The weapons were recovered from the accused by the police. There are 3 guns, 12 cartouches, 12 cartridges, and 5 cartridges. It might be possible that some gang is involved in, and they were sent by the gang person. Police want to investigate the matter in deep manner, and therefore the police custody granted.